Headlights. High beams. There you go. Passenger blinker. Driver blinker. Just the driving lights. Horn. Wipers. There you go. Got the style side wheels on it. Raised white letter radials. All the chrome trim top on the car. Windows, fantastic condition. Inner door panels, all the jams. Seats, chrome trim on all of that. You can hear the radios working. Even the glove box light, got the hazards in there. All the gauges work. Interior lights work. All the interiors, all the handles, everything on this car. All the hardware for the hard top. Top, fantastic shape. There's brake lights. Other blinker. You rev it up just a tad. Get that GT exhaust. Car just idles perfectly. Go ahead and shut it off.